Ryan has a Facebook page, and people were always, I could always see golf course superintendents, posting, hey, this is our Ryan Jr. We've been using it for 30 years on the course and this and that. So one day I said, oh, heck, I'll just send them a couple pictures into their page, and then like 2 days later, I start getting Facebook Messenger messages. Hey, we would like to talk to you. This is great. This is unbelievable. You have these machines that you've redone. Helt's Turf Farm is located in rural Pleasant Hill, Missouri. We've been in business since 1971. My mom and dad actually bought 80 acres and kind of started on their own with kind of having some of my grandpa's customers when he was ready to retire and get out. We grow bluegrass and fescue. We have about 800 acres of sod. A lot of our customers are golf courses, whether we install or just deliver sod to the golf courses. That's a big part of our business. I'm a gearhead. We not only do we restore old Ryan sod cutters, but we have some old Mopar hot rods and an old Chevy pickup. We like our modern work trucks to look good too going down the road. I mean, we get complimented all the time that we have the best looking trucks in Kansas City. Type handles on them, so I bet we have a couple hundred, 200 or 300 hours in them. I mean, probably more than we should. It's a great conversation piece, They're like, hey, some guys will come in and say, I worked on a golf course back in the 70s and they had one of these, or people go, is that what you guys used to use cutting sod? I don't want probably my kids or the whole world to not know where this industry started.